Hi everyone, we're going to go over our congruence postulates and theorems for triangles. We have some examples, and we're also going to go over why these methods are not congruent for triangles. So for the first one, we have this angle is congruent with this angle, this side is congruent with this side. Now we know from our vertical angle theorem that these angles are also congruent. So I'll just put two here, so different colors. So these triangles are congruent by your angle, side, angle. So we have angle, side, angle. So this is going to be angle, side, angle. Now for this one, we have these two sides, these two angles are congruent, and this angle is congruent. We also know from our reflexive property that this side is congruent. So again, what we have for this one is angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. So this one's also angle, side, angle. Now for this one, we have these two sides are congruent. These two sides are congruent. And again, by reflexive property, they share this side. So it's congruent to itself. So that's congruent. So these triangles are congruent by side, side, side. Side, side, side. So this is side, side, side. Now, here are some pictures of the rules for triangle congruency. We basically went over this one and this one. Here is an example of side, angle, side. So you have this side, angle, side for both of them. Here's the angle, angle, side. So angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. And this one is also known as your hypotenuse leg postulate. So this is only for right triangles. If the hypotenuse is congruent for both triangles and one leg, then we have an angle here, then it means it's also congruent. And really, this one is more like a side-side angle, which usually doesn't work, it's not sufficient for congruency. But since this one's a right triangle, these are right triangles, it does work. I'm going to go over this one on the next, in just a minute. Here it is when the triangles are kind of put together, so you can get a visual on that. All right. Now let's look at these right here. These methods don't prove congruency. So I'm going to look at these two first. So I can have two angles. I can put like this is 60 and this is 60. So this would be 60. And I can put this is 60, 60. So that's angle, angle. This is angle, angle. And by the third angle theorem, this is going to be also 60. But the sides aren't the same, only the angles. So I could have this is 2, 4, 6, and this one's going to be 4, 8, 12. With the scale factor of 2, or actually 1/2. So this is like 2 to 4, which is 1 to 2 scale factor. They're similar, but they're not congruent. And then on this one, we kind of went over it earlier. But for this, let's cross that out, side-side angle, I can have side, side, angle. So say this angle here. So that's congruent. But we don't know where this is the angle where this side is going to touch. So basically what I can get with the side-side angle, and let me just draw two pictures. I can get a triangle that looks like this. Okay, so I have an angle here and two sides here are congruent. Or I could have it this side and this side's congruent to each other, but this angle could be bigger. So the triangles aren't congruent. Okay, and that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.